In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Warp Tool in Photopea. By the end, you'll know how to bend, curve, and reshape an image smoothly, all from your web browser. First, open Photopea in your browser. It loads quickly and works without any installation, which makes it great for fast edits. Once the workspace appears, bring in the picture you want to modify. Click Open from Computer, then navigate to your file and select it. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see your image appear as a layer in the center of the canvas. If you're working with a large photo, that's fine. Warp works well on high-resolution images too. Now let's move into the transformation workflow. Head up to the main menu at the top and choose Edit. From there, hover over Transform to reveal the transformation options. Select Warp. Your image will display a mesher grid with handles around it, indicating that the warp controls are active. With the warp interface visible, you can reshape the image by clicking and dragging on the control points and segments of the grid. Small, gradual movements usually look more natural than big, dramatic pulls. Keep an eye on edges and fine details. If something stretches too far, press undo and try a gentler adjustment. Viewing at 100% zoom can help you judge quality and sharpness as you go. For a quick start, use the built-in presets. At the top, you'll find a drop-down with warp styles such as arch, bulge, flag, wave, and more. Choose your preferred warp style to apply an instant curve or distortion, then refine it by dragging the mesh where needed. Many presets include on-screen sliders like bend, horizontal distortion, and vertical distortion. Adjust these to fine-tune the intensity and direction of the warp. If you want total control, pick a more neutral preset and sculpt the shape manually with the grid. A few tips to keep things clean. Make multiple small drags rather than one big pull. Watch for repeated textures that can reveal stretching and compare before and after by toggling visibility of the layer if you duplicated it earlier. When the shape looks right, confirm the warp by applying the transformation. If you need to revisit it, simply return through Edit, Transform, and Warp to make further tweaks. That's the complete path. Open Photopea, load your image, go to Edit, choose Transform, select Warp, and pick the style that fits your design. Practice on different photos and you'll quickly get a feel for smooth, believable warps.